Hello and welcome back to the Model Railway Shed Christmas special. I just want to say a massive thank you to everybody. Everybody who has subscribed to my channel, who have liked my videos, commented on my videos. It really means a lot to me. I also want to say a huge thank you to everybody. Everybody that shares my videos and pictures as well on social media and helps my channel grow. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you. I really have made some lifelong friends and I appreciate it. I really do. It's been an incredible year for me, for my channel. You know, we hit the huge milestone of 1,000 subscribers, which I never in a million years thought I could do, but we've done it this year and it's been done recently, and that was incredible. You know, it even got me a bit emotional to hit that milestone. But the highlight for me this year, without a doubt, was Gets. I got to meet so many people, so many YouTubers. You know, you sit there and you watch them on the TV, and all of a sudden you meet them in person. It was an incredible day. I got some great photographs, some great video footage. It was an amazing day. I thoroughly enjoyed it. Yeah, I had challenges and everything, my anxiety, but it was still a great day. I absolutely loved it. Bit of a shame I didn't get to meet everybody. Yeah, some people couldn't go, and some other people going on different days. So I'm hoping when I go to Gets this year, we can all meet up. And there's so many people that I still want to meet, and I'm really hoping I get to meet them this year. So once again, massive thank you to everybody this year. It's just been an incredible year. It really has for me. Been a few ups and downs, but I thoroughly enjoyed this and what I've been doing. So today we're going to have a Christmas running session. Get all the trains out, all the rolling stock, and have some fun. Now you might be able to see behind me the old engine shed's got lighting in, but it's just temporary at the minute. I was still messing about with it at 10 o'clock last night, putting lights in, and it's still not finished. But just for today's video, I'll put some lights in there. There's a couple of different cameras I'm using for today's running session, so I'm using my little micro camera, so the footage isn't as good as with the gimbal, but it gives you a few interesting different angles. So I thought that'd be great for today's running session. Don't forget, New Year's Eve there's another video out which will be highlights of the rail tours that I love to film throughout this year. There's steam trains in there, some diesels, some HSTs, so there's a bit of something for everybody. And that will be out New Year's Eve about 6 o'clock. So stay tuned for that one. Next year is going to be a great year. We're going to move to a bigger shed. We're moving to that shed there that you might be able to see in the corner of your picture, which is much bigger, much more space, and we're going to have a bigger and better layout in there. Work should start around March time, once we get rid of this cold spell. I've already been buying bits to put in the new train shed, so it's going to be a great year next year. Stay tuned. I'm going to start the running session now. Some of the wiring, as I said, behind me is temporary, and we can see what we've achieved. All this has been achieved in 7 months, because if you remember, we changed over 7 months ago to Mocklin, which was a great move. I'm really glad I did it. So let's take a look at what I've been up to and what we've achieved so far in 7 months. So Merry Christmas to each and every one of you. Hope you get some great presents this year, lots of trains, and I'll see you all again in 2024. Thank you everybody, and please hit that like button for me.